click on the purple iMovie app. Okay, in the top left-hand corner is a plus sign. Now you have the option of starting a movie. Click on that. You can begin your movie with something that you already have on file, a picture or a video, or you can just hit Create Movie at the bottom and start with a blank palette. Using the plus sign on the left, you can add videos, photos, and audio. So here I'm going to add some video. I'm going to add the central idea video and use that as the basis of my new video instruction. What is the central? You see how we can move back and forth through the video. The line in the center marks where you are in the video. Okay? You can go back and forth. Now, you may want to add other things, pictures or video, to your movie. So you'll hit the plus sign to the left and you'll identify something you want. Here's a picture of Donald Trump, and there I have added it to the video. But suppose instead I want it to be a picture-in-picture. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to click that, but this time, instead of the plus sign, I'm going to click the three buttons, and that gives me an option for cutaway, picture-in-picture, split screen, or green screen, which would allow you to project different backgrounds. So there I've put the picture-in-picture into the video. I can move it around using the tools on the right-hand side of the screen, which I'll show you right now. See, I can drag to a position and I can change the size of the picture-in-picture to whatever I want it to be. It's pretty big there. Okay. Now, I am moving through the video to determine where I want to add more information or if I want to change the size of the picture-in-picture. So I'm making it smaller right now, and I'm moving it down towards the bottom. And once I've got that placed, I'm going to show you how I can add some subtitles. I'm going to identify where I want the subtitles to start. Then I press the T, and you can see to the left, title text here pops up. Erase that, and then type in what you want. And I'm going to write, as soon as I can get the letters to function properly, by Peter Morris. Oops, misspelled. Okay. And this subtitle will stay on the screen until I split the video and put in a transition. That transition will let the movie know that I don't want the subtitle to go any further than where I have split the film. And you have a variety of different types of transitions. You can just make a straight cut where you go from one thing to the next, or you can dissolve or fade or wipe or slide. You have various options that you can use for transitions between chunks of video. See, there was an example of a slide. And a wipe. So you can have fun with this. Mr. Morris basically taught himself by just playing around with the app and not being afraid to make mistakes and starting all over. Okay? You can create voiceovers. You can mute the movie itself. and then add a voiceover. And I'm doing that right now. I'm going down to voiceover. I have muted the movie, and now I am going to create my voiceover. Okay. Of course, you can't hear me, but that's what I did. See, the recording is finished. I can listen to it first to see if I like it before I accept it, or I can redo it. So this is a feature you will definitely want to use for your video projects, especially if you're creating something that's more like a PowerPoint. And then here you can title your project before saving it. Oops, I typed that wrong. Please feel free to come to see me during office hours, and I'll be more than happy to help you use this app.